Get out of my video! Hi, it's Tuesday and you're watching Tasty Tuesday, the show where it's Tuesday and I try to make something tasty. Sometimes it works. Surprisingly, it's worked almost, I think, like every time so far. Today we're making a curry chicken couscous, because it looked like something that both Steve and I could eat. Get out of my video. Anyway, let's make this dish. It looks good.
So what is this called?
This is a chicken curry couscous.
Okay. Good.
Yeah? Do you like curry?
I love curry.
It's got curry and toasted pine nuts and scallions this time. I remembered the scallions.
Nice. I really like it.
And dried cherries. Little dried cherries.
It's really good.
Like Indian food. I wasn't sure if you'd like it because it's dark meat. Actually, it's supposed to be dark meat. Is dark meat just thigh meat? Chicken thigh meat? Because there's nowhere in the supermarket that just says dark meat. I just assumed it was thigh meat as opposed to breast meat. So
This doesn't look like dark meat.
it doesn't? Oh. Well, what's dark meat? Rib meat? What is it?
I'm not sure.
I don't know what dark meat is. It's supposed to be dark meat, but I just got chicken thigh meat. And you like it.
I like it.
Tasty Tuesday!